Stiles Falls is a quick 3-mile round-trip hike to a large waterfall following the Purgatory Creek. This hike is located in Camp Altamont in Charlottesville, Virginia. It is on private property, so be sure to check on the camp website for visitor times. Park at the visitor parking lot at the front of the camp. Begin your hike by walking up the main road towards the Stiles Falls trailhead. This is going to be a 1.07 mile hike. Once at the trailhead, follow the White Blaze Trail for about a mile and a half to arrive at the falls.